Well, you're probably wondering why I didn't see any videos for a couple weeks, but I've been busy. I had a project I was doing here, making some boxes for over some windows for curtains. He was having trouble with his curtains rods coming down, and he was to the point where he didn't even want me to play with them. So I built some window boxes for him, and now his curtains will never come down. So come on inside and I'll just show you these curtain boxes real quick. So what I did is I cut these boards here and I fastened them to the wall. These blocks were glued on, nailed on, and then I screwed this board with 4-inch screws because of the way this house was built. And then I slipped this box, I made this box and slipped this box over that, and then glued and nailed that, and then there's a top on it, you can see from here, and the top is glued and nailed, so these will never come down. And then the homeowner, which is a friend of mine, wanted these designs on there, and it kind of fits with his home. So I just wanted to show you a couple of things that I did. This is why I haven't made any last videos in a couple of weeks. It's all made out of maple. And there's the dowel rod that holds the curtains. And on these longer windows, I made a pass through here for the curtain rods. And they're all cut. So the curtain rods end right about there. And they're nice tight to the ends. And then this little end cap, you can see a couple of screws. You loosen those screws and the curtain rod will just slip right out of there so you can change curtains. So this is the living room. We put them over the doors and the windows. And then there's 3 at the top. And we installed those. That wound up being quite the project. We had to have an extension ladder in here. And then we had a step ladder, and one of us was up there fastening the boxes to the wall, and the other one was handing parts and equipment. But they came out looking real nice. And we put these throughout the whole house. Well, I hope you like that. Just an idea.